This is a small bird. Every morning, this little bird leaves its nest to search for food. It flies around all day, sometimes alone, sometimes with other birds, looking for something to eat. And every evening it returns to its nest full of food. The Prophet Muhammad once said, "If you truly put your trust in Allah, He will provide for you as He provides for the birds. They leave their nests hungry in the morning and return full in the evening." But the Prophet also taught, "Trust in Allah, but tie your camel." Meaning faith is not just waiting, it is also action. So just like these birds, we must work hard to achieve our goals. But always remember to put our trust in Allah, from the smallest bird to the strongest camel. Every creature reminds us, rely on Allah and do your part.